Hi, Miss Rina. This is my project about circuits. As you can see, the following materials are 2 batteries, a battery case with 2 wires, 3 paper clips, a light bulb, and a screw and nut, even a red paper. First, I'm gonna put a screw and nut into the paper. Now, I bended one of the paper clips into this form. I'm gonna put these 2 paper clips to these wires. Now, the 2 paper clips are attached to the wire. I'm gonna put this one here, and the black wire will go here. And now, I'm gonna put the light bulb. And as you can see, I stuck the glue tag to steady the light bulb. I'm going to use a little piece of glue tag under the battery case. I am now going to put the 2 batteries in the casing. The circuit is still incomplete because the switch is open. I will now close the switch. And there you go. The circuit is now complete. Thank you for watching my video.